Yay. It's on heavy. I turned off night dry by pressing and holding extra dry for 3 seconds so that I can hear the end of cycle. Because when night dry is on, if you automatically press heavy, night dry will automatically come on and it will mute the end of cycle. So take a listen now. Any second. And fans off. But it will come back on. And this is the plastic, the protective cover. We're not taking this off because look at all this. This is a very high traffic area. So yeah, and it is hot up here. But this fan will come back on soon. But yeah, yay.